atraque y en tan solo unos minutos pisarán tierra firme sus majestades de Oriente Melchior, Gaspar y Balthazar.
día y eso.
Yeah.
They're still going on. Are they still like walking about?
There will be, yeah. The blue cheese. Did we have blue cheeseburger last
Can't remember.
time? Yes.
That sounds a bit stalker-like, but I do remember.
Yes,
I'm sure. Because I'm sure you.
So tonight we're down in town after pre-Kings Parade and we're in Matsburgers. So it's absolutely humongous menu. It really is humongous. So everyone's having such an issue here because the menu is absolutely humongous. Nobody can really decide what they want, so everyone's struggling.
I'm having a large. So with two patties. So
Hulk smash.
100% beef or beef and pork mix.
It's a starter. That's a large to
It's
share.
alright, they're having one each.
No,
No, we've got one between us. I'll be full if we've got one each, so.
It's to share with meat, but there's not a massive amount of meat on that.
Photography go like that.
So he's about 50 odd kilos.
Oh my god, what's a Caucasian shepherd? Is that the big black and brown?
We've actually eaten a shed load of our chicken and that's still what's left. So that was just one, I think it was a large portion rather than half portion.
We don't show them ours because we look like really fat pigs.
Yeah, but to be fair, they're sharing it between 5 of you guys, isn't you? Well, we got that for between 2 of us.
Gracias, thank you.
That's Sarah's. Was that just a chicken burger?
Same as yours, but by 100% beef. I didn't have beef and pork mix. That smells nice.
Yeah.
Home cut as well. I thought they were frozen when I looked at them, but you know when you actually taste them, I think they're home cut.
Yeah. So that's my Matt burger, which is the burger that comes with
Talking over you when you're
bacon,
doing
cheddar
that.
cheese, onion rings. It does come with barbecue sauce, but I asked for it without the barbecue sauce. I'm a massive fan of that on burgers. So
We were talking to Matt actually when we were here last time. Oh god, this is sloppy as hell, isn't it?
right, so that was Matt's Burgers, and apparently there are a couple of them around different areas, but definitely worth a go. The selection of burgers is just absolutely humongous, and the portion sizes are massive. You could see from the size of the chicken fingers that we had, and we didn't bring them, or we didn't finish them, so we've got the rest of them as takeaways. So definitely be going back there to give it a try. I think Ben will like it, our youngest, he'll love it.